50 opposite English words. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Hot. Cold. Hot. Cold. Big. Small. Big. Small. Light. Dark. Light. Dark. Up. Down. Up. Down. Fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. Strong. Weak. Strong. Weak. Tall. Short. Tall. Short. Hard. Soft. Hard. Soft. New. Old. New. Old. Wet. Dry. Wet. Dry. Full. Empty. Full. Empty. Clean. Dirty. Clean. Dirty. Rich. Poor. Rich. Poor. Young. Old. Young. Old. Thick. Thin. Thick. Thin. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Easy. Difficult. Easy. Difficult. Long. Short. Long. Short. Police. Criminal. Police. Criminal. Deep. Shallow. Deep. Shallow. Near. Far. Near. Far. Heavy. Light. Heavy. Light. Clean. Messy. Clean. Messy. Brave. Cowardly. Brave. Cowardly. Sweet. Sour. Sweet. Sour. Funny. Serious. Funny. Serious. Early. Late. Early. Late. Alive. Dead. Alive. Dead. Win. Lose. Win. Lose. Friend. Enemy. Friend. Enemy. Open. Closed. Open. Closed. Wide. Narrow. Wide. Narrow. Fresh. Spoiled. Fresh. Spoiled. High. Low. High. Low. Bright. Dim. Bright. Dim. Strong. Fragile. Strong. Fragile. Ripe. Unripe. Ripe. Unripe. Success. Failure. Success. Failure. Love. Hate. Love. Hate. Simple. Complex. Simple. Complex. Safe. Dangerous. safe, dangerous, love, dislike, love, dislike, excited, bored, excited, bored, sweet, bitter, sweet, bitter, comfortable, uncomfortable, comfortable, uncomfortable, modern, traditional, modern, traditional, polite, rude, polite, rude, hardworking, lazy, hardworking, lazy, beautiful, ugly, beautiful, ugly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.